Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. Yes, in this video today we will see how you can update your themes post Moodle upgrade. Yes, upgrading theme is an important part while you upgrade your Moodle. So once you upgrade your Moodle version and it have a significant version differences, then your older themes will not be working in most of the cases. So how you can deal with that theme? So whenever you are using till the time you are using the Moodle default theme, that is Boost one, that is fine. It will come up with every upgrade. But whenever you are using your own custom theme or purchase theme, in that case you also have to take care of the upgrading the theme stuffs, like the theme and theme related other stuffs. In case we have used, you also have to upgrade that. So in this series, uh, in this video we'll see as once you purchase their theme, and the theme name is advisor ram ui, and once you see here, you will see the download option under. Then you will find the payment details and everything, and from bottom to top we'll see all your version details. So Moodle current version is 4.3. If I have this version upgraded up to, then I need this theme. Okay, in case I am using this advisor theme. So for this moment you click on this 4.3, you will see everything. It will give you in a bundle, like it will contain the theme or any other plugins that is dependent on the theme, and that is okay. So everything it includes. But in case you have older version, you will also find here, you can download and you will be able to unzip this and you will get everything here, not just the theme and the other plugins. You will also see here the installation guide, and this you can see the installation guide at global level. But whenever you come to download this theme, you will also find that all these download will also include the theme guidelines. Okay, installation guide. So if I'm here, so here installation and upgrade guide it shows. Okay, so for Moodle 3.4, you just download this theme as, and what it said, take backup of your Moodle instances for the security purpose. Head of your Moodle website, go to plugins, install this plugin. Okay, so all it come up with 7 to 8 plugins, and you will have to install everything. And this is only I am discussing here the advisor case. Okay, the same theme remains, the same flow remains for upgrading the other theme part also. Okay, whenever you have purchased theme from a different vendor, then the same case apply here. Okay, so that's it I have to say in this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.